cook together, I invite all of you to cook with me. Today I am going to share a unique breakfast combo, that is vegetable mayo sandwich with cold coffee lassi. Let's start with the sandwich first. For the vegetables I will be taking carrot and cucumber. First grating the carrot, now grating the cucumber. I'll just lightly squeeze the cucumber to avoid a lot of water in the sandwich. Now adding the mayonnaise. You can add around half a cup depending on how many sandwiches you want to make. Adding half a spoon of white pepper powder. To give a salty flavor, I am adding pizza seasoning, which is normally not added in the mayo sandwich, but I am adding just to add a salty flavor. Mix it well. After mixing it well, the filling is ready. Now we will layer the filling on the sandwiches. Give a slightly thick layering, otherwise it will not taste good. Layering another bread. Once the sandwiches are ready, we will cut them into triangles. Once the sandwiches are ready, put them in the box and leave it in the refrigerator for around half an hour because they taste very good when they are chilled. Now for the coffee lassi, I will be taking 1 spoon of coffee powder, around 1.5 spoons of sugar, now I will add around 1 glass of curd, adding in the curd to the blender. And finally I wanted to add vanilla ice cream, but I don't have, so I am adding kulfi sticks. I'm using 2. Adding the kulfi. This will give a very good texture to the lassi. Blend it now. Open the lid, mix it well. Finally blending it once again. Looks tempting, and coffee lassi is ready to serve. Serving the coffee lassi in a mason jar. There you go, delicious breakfast combo. Mayo veg sandwich with coffee lassi is ready to serve. If you found my video interesting, press the like button, share it with your family and friends, and please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.